Okay, so we are making a sailboat, and for that you will need a note. Okay, I'm using. Okay, this is the first step. You have to fold it from side to side. This is the first step. You can use the coin as I have shown you. For the second step, you have to fold it in the middle. Okay, this is our second step. Now that you have folded it, do remember to crease it. And for the next step, you have to make this mountain fold, right? From like do the both sides, and when you are done you will get a figure something like that. So once you have reached this step, just unfold it, and now this is the hard part. So uh, like carefully look at what I'm doing. You have to do a reverse fold. This is called a reverse fold, where you reverse the fold that you did. Okay, so as you can see, I have to make a crease again. Yes, crease again, and with precision you have to do the fold. So if I remember, this is where I wasn't able to make the symmetry, because I wasn't able to check the symmetry fold that I was making, which was a bad decision. So this is where I did the mistake. So now for you have to do the reverse fold on the both side, as you can see. So I'm working on it, and now you have to start folding. When you are done with the fold, you will get a figure, something like that. So this is where I did a mistake. I wasn't able to check the symmetry. As you can see, I couldn't I should have focused on symmetry, but I okay, no worries. As you can see, once you have reached this stage, you have to fold it again. Do the exact fold that I'm doing. You have to do a 90-degree fold that I'm doing, as you can see. uh, yeah, so the angle that the fold is making is a 90-degree fold. So there's nothing 90 fold, there's not a thing called 90-degree fold. That's something just I said. You have to fold it in a 90 degree, as you can see. There will be a flap like that. So anyway, once you are done, you have to fold it in the middle. Yeah, so the reason, because I wasn't able to check the symmetry earlier, I had this a little piece of paper that was coming out of there, which was not normal, but it works anyway. It doesn't make so much difference. Now you have to fold it in a half, and when you are done here, you have to go to the other side. As you can see, it's a beautiful figure. Now go to the other side, but this is a tricky one, because you have to fold from one point to the other point of this the half, yeah, part. That, as you can see, you don't have to do a 90-degree fold that we just did earlier. So the degree that it will make is like I don't know, like 30, 20, 25, something like that. Okay, so it looks beautiful. Now for the other side. For the other side, you have to do it again from one side to the other, from one point to the other point of this fold, right? So okay, as you can see, yeah, it's done. Now you have to fold it again. As you can see, the one part is longer than the other, and that's exactly how it should be. So usually people end the video right here. As you can see, the last part of the stage will, when you will like do this fold, and that's it. People usually end it here, and it could stand, it could stand and be a good, beautiful model, but we will go one step further. Okay, so it does stand, but because of the fan it wasn't standing. Okay, for our next step, the final step, this is where you change the valley fold into the mountain fold. When you open it up, you will find that there is a box like thing. Okay, so everything there is a valley fold, but you have to turn it around and make a mountain fold. Now, okay, I'm working on it. This is like kind of fast forwarded, but yeah. So this is important, because while you are making a valley fold into the mountain fold, you have to push the middle part down. Yeah. So I wasn't able to show the whole picture, but once you're done, you would like reach this stage. Okay. So I have pushed down the whole figure. Now it looks something like that, and this could stand. Now this would stand nicely. As you can see, it could stand, but because of the fan it's not standing. Okay, so this is our model, this is our sailboat. Okay, as you can see, there's a hole there which actually helps us stand. Okay, it's because of the fan it wasn't standing, but yeah, it could stand, it could stand. Okay, nicely done.